Welcome back everyone, I'm Bharat. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install PyCharm Community Edition on Windows. So without any further delays, let's get started. Let me open up Chrome here. Let's search for PyCharm CE. Let's click on download and download the Community Edition. Save it and wait for the download to get completed. So our installer is now downloaded. Let's click on it and I'll minimize this window. Click on next, and make sure you choose create desktop shortcut if you want shortcuts on your desktop. I don't like having any icons on my desktop, so I'm not gonna click on this. And make sure you check all the other three check boxes, and let's click on next. Let's wait for this installation to get completed. Okay, so our installation is now complete. Here you can choose whether you want to reboot it now or you can reboot it manually later. So let's click on finish. Let's go to start and search for PyCharm. Here it is. Let's click on it. Let's accept this user agreement and click on continue. You can choose either of the options. Okay, here we have it. So this is our PyCharm IDE. So we can click on new project and create a new project or open an existing project. In fact, we can clone a particular project from version control systems like GitHub or Bitbucket. And apart from that, you can customize your themes, like you can change it to whichever themes you want, and your font size, and you can install various plugins, like you can connect with AWS, you can install a lot of other plugins as well. So that is it for this video, guys. If you found this as helpful, hit on the like button, share it with your friends, and drop your valuable thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss out any of our latest updates. Thank you for watching. I look forward to meet you guys in the upcoming videos.